I need to make money fast, so how do I do it? Look, if you're broke or you need extra cash this week, I'm going to tell you exactly what actually works. It's not some get-rich-quick scheme BS or some cryptocurrency gamble. This is a real strategy that can put money in your pocket fast. It did for me. And by the end of this video, you're going to understand the difference between short-term cash hustles and long-term scalable income. And you're going to have a clear action plan for both. If it's the first time we meet, my name is Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, selling digital products, only working a few hours a day while traveling the world. First, let's talk about immediate cash options. These are things you can do right now, this week, to get money fast. They're not going to make you rich, but they will get you breathing room. Freelancing on demand is the first one. You can find freelancing work on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even in local Facebook groups. If you have any skill at all, like writing, editing, graphic design, tutoring, data entry, whatever, you can sell it now. You want to create a profile on these sites, set your rates, and start applying to jobs. You can land your first gig within a day or two, and even get paid within a week. The key here is to sell a skill you already have. You don't have time to learn something new when you need money fast. If you can write, offer writing services. If you're decent with Photoshop, offer graphic design. If you speak another language, offer tutoring or translation. Use what you've got right now, because that's the fastest way to get some cash in. Our next option is to sell unused items. One of the best ways to get some quick cash in is to sell your unused items. Right now, look around your house. You probably have hundreds, even thousands of dollars worth of stuff you don't even use. Like, for example, old electronics collecting dust, clothes you don't wear, furniture you don't need, books you've already read. There's literally a piano over there I'm not using. Put that shit on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, Vinted, or OfferUp, Craigslist. Price it to sell fast. You can make a few hundred to a few $1,000s in a week just clearing out your space. I know people who make a few $1,000s extra per year just by reselling their old stuff on Vinted. And then if you need some quick cash, you can do things like food delivery with DoorDash or Uber Eats, or rideshare with Uber or Lyft. There's also TaskRabbit for random jobs. These pay fast, often daily or weekly. The problem is that they're not scalable. You're trading time for money at a pretty low rate. But when you need cash immediately, they work, and you have to take what comes your way. Later, when you make more money, you can come from a place of abundance. Then you can be picky. But now's not the time for that. If you want to earn extra cash quickly, consider finding a part-time or temporary job, like seasonal work, event staffing, or retail shifts. A lot of these positions pay weekly instead of bi-weekly, which means you get money faster. They're not exciting, like, let's be honest, but they're reliable and they pay the bills while you build something better. Now, here's what you need to understand. All of these immediate cash options are fine for right now, but they're not going to build wealth. They're not going to make you rich. They're band-aids. They're keeping you in survival mode. If you want to actually escape the paycheck to paycheck cycle, you need to start converting your skills into cash in a smarter way. That's when you go from surviving to finally thriving. By the way, if you want me to personally teach you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, only working a few hours a day, I've made a free video that explains my 3-step process. It's the link in the description or pinned comment. For a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll see what's blocking you from making more money. We'll come up with a step-by-step game plan so you can get started today. And you might even get the chance to join my premium mentorship program and be mentored by me directly, where I'm going to teach you my advanced strategies and hold you by the hand until you're making $10,000 a month at least. Link in the description. Now be quick because we have very limited spots. Now let's focus on turning skills into cash over the next 30 days. This is where things get really exciting, because instead of earning $15 an hour on TaskRabbit, which isn't that much, let's be honest, you can offer services that command real value. For example, social media management, video editing, copywriting, even web design. Businesses are willing to pay hundreds, even thousands of dollars for these skills. And here's the trick that most people don't think about. You don't even need to have the skills yourself. You can sell the service and get a freelancer to deliver it. This is the arbitrage model. You charge a client $2,000 to manage their social media, and you pay a freelancer from the Philippines $500 to do the actual work. You keep $1,500 as profit. You're essentially brokering expertise. Another option is tutoring or coaching. If you know anything that other people want to learn, a language, a subject, a skill, anything, You can offer it on Zoom calls or online lessons. Charge $50 to $100 an hour. If you do 10 hours a week, that's $2,000 to $4,000 a month. It's not that bad for something you can start literally today. Now, if you want to build real wealth, not just make a few bucks here and there, you need to understand digital income paths. This is where you build while you earn. Courses are the first path. You want to package what you know into a course and sell it for passive income. Your course can be about fitness, cooking, gaming, marketing, productivity, relationships, or literally anything else. If you know something that solves a problem, you can sell it as a course. The beauty of courses is that you create them once and you can sell them forever. That makes them highly scalable and easy to sell. Coaching and consulting are the high-ticket version of just selling online courses. Instead of selling a course for a few $100s, you're charging $500 to $5,000 per client for direct access, accountability, and personalized help. This is much quicker than building big audiences because you only need a few clients to make serious money. 10 clients at $2,000 each, that's $20,000. Try making that much money by flipping items on Facebook Marketplace. It's hard. Then there's services, which we already talked about. Services are typically done for you, meaning you do the work for someone else. It's a more reliable income than courses at first because you're delivering results directly instead of teaching someone else how to do it, and most services pay you on an ongoing basis, meaning you don't necessarily have to keep looking for new customers every month. And it's easier to sell because people want the outcome, never the work. If you want to learn how I built a business that makes thousands a day while working just a few hours a day and traveling the world, I made a free video breaking down my 3-step process. The link is in the description and pinned comments. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll see what's holding you back from making more money, and we'll come up with a step-by-step game plan for you to make your first $1,000 online. You might even get the opportunity to join my premium mentorship program, where I'm gonna hold you by the hand, teach you everything step by step until you make 10K per month or more with your business. Now, we've got very limited spots, so as soon as you're done watching this video, click the link in the description and check it out. Look, most fast enough solutions aren't enough. Gig apps and temporary work give you quick relief, sure, but they're not building wealth. You're still trading time for money at a low rate. You're still stuck in the paycheck cycle, and it's exactly like being an employee. You're selling your most valuable resource, which is your time. The only way to escape is to start selling services, coaching, or courses. Look at every internet millionaire you know. Andrew Tate scaled with courses and coaching. Alex Hormozy built his wealth with services and coaching, and there's a dozen other examples. They understood that the fastest way to real money is packaging what you know and selling it at scale. Not driving for Uber, not flipping items on eBay for a few bucks. Those are survival tactics that will make you a bit of money, sure, here and there, but they sure as hell won't make you rich. That's a guarantee. So here's your action plan. This week, right now, sell a unused item and go do gig work for instant cash. Go through your house, list everything you don't need, maybe deliver some food on the side, whatever it takes to get money coming in immediately. That's your survival mode. You can easily get a few $1,000s this way. This month, start a service, a coaching, or a digital product business. Pick something you can do or something you can hire someone else to do. You want to create a simple offer, then start reaching out to potential customers, start making some content, and start taking on work. And don't underprice yourself just because you're new. If you're solving a real problem for people, people will pay. Over the next 3 to 6 months, you want to package your knowledge into a course or a coaching program, preferably a high-ticket one, meaning you can sell it for at least $1,000. You take what you've learned from doing the service work and you turn it into a valuable product, or you pick any niche, fitness, health, relationships, dating, etc., and you make a course around it. This is how you go from trading time for money to making money while you sleep. This is how you build a real wealth starting from zero. Look, I know what it's like to need money fast, and I've been there. Back when I was a broke high school kid trying to figure this stuff out, I tried everything. I did gig work, I sold stuff online, I tried dropshipping and lost thousands. I hustled day in, day out, but I didn't start making real money until I understood this principle. You need to sell products instead of your time. When you sell your time, you're capped at 24 hours a day. But when you sell a product, there's no limit. So stop thinking about fast money as the end goal. Fast money is just the bridge to get you to where you need to be. The real goal is to build a business that generates income without requiring you to trade every hour of your day for dollars. And the fastest way to do that is through courses, coaching, and services. Don't stay stuck in survival mode. Use these immediate cash strategies to buy yourself some time. And then use that time to build a business that actually lasts. Because here's the truth. You're always going to need more money, right? The real question is, are you going to keep scrambling for it week after week? Or are you going to build a system that generates it consistently for you, even while you're asleep? If you want me to teach you how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my online business, only working a few hours a day while traveling the world, I've made a free video that explains my 3-step process. For a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team, and we'll see what's blocking you from making more money. You might even get the chance to join my premium mentorship program, where I'm going to show you everything step by step and help you build a 10K per month business personally. But be quick, because we have very limited spots. So click on the link in the description, fill out the form to see if you can qualify for it. And with that said, I'll see you on the other side.